Out here fishing at a pond. I seen the frog jump in the water, so we're gonna start off. Let's start off trying the frog. Got one. Nice fish. On the frog. Let's go. Yeah, on the frog. Nice fish on the frog. Oh, like a bite. Come on. Got him. About a 1 pounder. Nice little fish. All right, just caught my second fish on the frog. Wanted to know what kind of frog I'm using. About to get over here, close by this tree. See what I can get. And let's just kind of jump the frog a little bit, give it a little pause. Oh, got one. So I'm shallow, so I'm looking at it, following the bait. About a 1.5 pounds. Nice fish. Just seen another frog hop in the water. Right over there by that tree over there. So looks like we picked a pretty good choice to fish with the frog, because it seems like that's what the fish want. So I'm gonna try to get right over there, right by that tree. Seems like that's where the frogs are at. Let's see what we can get. Got one. Nice one. Nice fish. Thought it was a big one, but caught some of the grass and the branch. See where he choked that frog. Nice size fish. If I hadn't showed y'all what kind of bait I used, this is what kind of frog I'm using. It's a great imitation of the frog that I seen jump in the water, and it's doing a pretty good job. I'm gonna go right here in between these two trees towards the middle and work my way back to these trees, and we're gonna see what I can get. Get closer to the tree on this one. Got one. Woo! Love to see him come and catch that frog. Love to see him. Oh, like I caught this tree. There we go. There we go. There we go. Trying to get him off this branch. Probably about a pounder. Hooked him right there where I want to hook him. Nice fish. Got him. Early release, and he goes in the water. Just saw a fish jump right here, and I'm about to see if we can get him. Got him. Got him. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice hook set. Nice fish. It's been a while since I had another bite. About to do a few more casts and then I'm gonna call it a day. Been out here about 2 to 3 hours. Caught a good amount of fish. Successful day. Got one. Threw it right under the tree. Nice one. Whew. Threw it right there under the tree and he bit on it. Nice fish. Actually, forgot I had my scale in my pocket. Let's see. Right where I hooked him. This one, 2.89, almost 3 pounds. Nice fish. Using the frog.